Hello friends, thanks for joining back. Today we're going to talk all about inserts. There are so many new inserts that I've created that I would like to show. I'm just going down the line like this, creating my inserts, ideas that I have for it. I have a K-drama list, Helen's Faves, coming soon. I have Ideal Weekly on Netflix, Ideal Weekly Schedule, AM, PM, evening routine, like so many things that I am planning on making. And this is everything that I took out for the month of August to start. So everything I'm doing is based on how can I reduce this because it's getting very chunky. I love the thickness. It's great. It's everything that I need in here, especially because I put my whole life in here, not just personal and kids, but also like the house, work, the work projects, health vlogs I did take out. So let me show you just my health alone. This many pieces of paper in the health vlog, and we'll show you what I'm doing to eliminate all that. But I still have the health vlog in here. I have a bunch of things to do for my kids. They're all starting school right now. So I have all that stuff in here. Let's just kind of put that away. I still have more things in here. I have like the RX for contacts for 3 of my children in here. Outside of that, I did change out my binder covers back to my Gillio. In here, just added 1 sticker there and added this little guy, page flags, because I do seem to go through some page flags because I have a lot of new inserts in here where the tabs are not quite doing it for me just yet. I still have to get used to it. But the way I set this up now is I have the finances in the front where it used to be in the back. So I'm literally going from the top, get to enjoy my photos, and then I go to each of the pages. Right? This is my expense log. So like whatever I expensed or spent yesterday are all going in here today. I have a couple of pages of that for August. And then I go through my monthly budget. All of these pages, inserts that I've created, you guys, is in there. Obviously, you're not going to have my categories. I just track the variables. So I have my income log, which I log in all the different income coming in throughout the month. And then I have the budget. I created this, and basically this is a budget for the whole year. So this is a yearly tracker, all of my bills listed, and I'm just tracking to see that they have gone out of my bank account because they're all pretty much auto pay set up. These are all my credit cards, and I just am going down the line to see what is paid. So like the 6th, which is the following week, Tuesday, I believe, it will be paid, and so on and so forth. So that's that. I do track the bills here. This is just tracking that they got paid, but this is also tracking the amount. So it's a fold out, and I just track the amounts. My daily prayer, this is new. I did kind of change things up to make it a little different for the month of August. The daily journaling prompts, I'm still doing this. So I have several of those for a few weeks for the month of August. Then I am starting to take vitamins and rise and just like a little bit more awareness on self-care. So that's what I'll be focusing my 30-day challenge in August with. The TV series tracker, this is not mine. This is Haru Plans, and I love this. I'm not sure that I will continue doing the TV tracker. It's just not, I mean, it's not obviously for productivity. To buy list and meal plan. So I've changed this up so you guys have seen my previous meal plans sheets a little bit differently. I did clean it up a little bit just so that it's like Monday through Sunday. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then just to buy items. Just very simple. And then it'll just tell me what store, and then I'll just check it off as I go. And so I have the month of August all printed out in here like that. This is my task list. I love this task list. This is kind of where my brain dump has been going lately. You guys know in the past I have done this, and I'm sure I will go back to doing this at one point, but a lot of my brain dump is in here. Throughout the day, new things come up. I just put it in here, and I go through this list every single day to see as I plan for the day, like what can I pick up. This is a cute little thing. He's 19 now, so he's no longer, that's my husband. And my son's new schedule came out, so I had to kind of get that in. We do have a carpool system going on in my neighborhood for my daughter. Her school's like 20 minutes away. She just went to high school. So this is Eric's schedule for the fall. This is Vicky's schedule for fall. Things to do for Vicky on the back of that page of her schedule, and then things to do for Eric on the back of his schedule. I do have this insert coming up for you guys as well. This obviously is specific for me, but this is also a good way for you to kind of like work each kid if you, or even yourself, if you have all these different schedules going on, just to organize, you know, per child or per person in your family, front and back, and then just like things to do for that particular child or for yourself or your husband or whatever. Every time a schedule changes, like their lessons or taekwondo, calendar, this is where it gets kind of fun. So up to, you'll see August here, but I used it till July, and in the month of August, I redesigned everything. So I have the second half of the year from July through December in a new designed monthlies. This is the previous. As you guys know, I love this calendar. It started getting really crazy, especially in July because everyone's starting school here. I have July through December. These you'll also find in the members only section. So let's go through this real quick. So it starts out like this. It has 2024 calendar. And so this is where I am going to be putting in like paydays or something particular, but like one thing, and I'll show you why. And then on monthly notes, you have July through December. Just, it could be one line a month, or it could be like a reminder. It could be someone's birthday. This is just a back plan of July. And so that's why I still have this July calendar in here. Otherwise, I would take this page out. This is how I'm using August. This is my carpool drop days week. All the important things lined up that I want to pay attention to in the month. I don't have a specific date, but I know that this is going to have to happen. I made little pockets like this where there are no dates. So you'll see that back here, up here, and December over here. So I have that going on for the whole 6 months, and I am color dotting. The pink is for my girls, the blues are for my boys, brown is for me, or just like birthdays, things that I need to remember. On the last pages, because we'd get these pages, I kind of had to design something. So I was like, what can I design that would like kind of fit into the calendars, the monthlies? And I decided to do habit tracking or some type of a tracking, because obviously I'm not good at that like check off tracking type. So I said, okay, what do I want to track for the month of August or for the whole year, the rest of the year? And I said, okay, workout, because movement or workout, all that, getting healthier is important to me. I am just dotting those days where I am doing any kind of movement. It could be a walk, it could be at the gym, it could be Pilates, yoga, whatever. I put in my ultimate goal is to move 20 days, start that nice habit the rest of the year. So going into 2025, I come in strong, going back into the whole movement era of my life. And I don't know what other thing I want to track. We'll see. Maybe I'm gonna track like how many days I'm in this planner, the rings, not the binder, because binder I'll switch out, but I think that would be fun to track. I've seen someone else do it and I love it. I even commented on their video. 2025, looking forward, I have 2 lines per month for next year. So just like future planning for next year, I thought I need a place for that. This is my weeklies. The first page is putting photos. This is intended for this, just my memories and just journaling, you know, jotting down a few notes about what happened during that week. And then here comes the week, all the schedules on the left side and all of the things to do on that particular day on the right side, YouTube stuff. And then anything else is in here, like anything throughout the week where I just need like a piece of paper to write down notes, or just like junk journal or whatever it is. It's just here on the next page before it goes into the dailies. This is all my journaling on the right side. And I've really been enjoying journaling every single day without having to go grab another bound book and all of the above. So there's that. And then we've got another page, and this is for next week, going into this week. Then here comes the new week. This week stuff, the weekly schedule. Again, 2 pages of just dotted so that it gives me a place where I can just like write down notes. I don't have to look everywhere to look at the note pages. It's just right there all the time, right before the dailies. And then again, I'm journaling. I am doing all the tasks. I was busy this week, you guys. I had 2 open houses. I had kids starting schools, a lot of things. And then I'll be journaling in here. And this is Sunday. And then again, new things for the next week, which is week 32. I haven't planned this out yet. So again, 2 pages that are empty right before the dailies, and then I have the dailies all printed out for 2 weeks. This is another thing. So this is all from my calendar. Okay, let's not worry about the calendar, because calendar, I kind of need it on thick paper, 32-pound paper. But this is 3 weeks. So right here is, let's see, 1, 2, and then 3, 4. This is 4 weeks, you guys. So this is pretty thick. Although I will be taking these pages out just because I am done with this, because this was week 30. So this is out. I will be archiving this. However, what I decided I'm going to do going forward, love the thick paper because I get to highlight it without worrying about bleeding and on that kind of stuff on the copy paper. However, for the weeklies and dailies, is it really crucial? Because you're only using it for 7 days. Is it really that important and that deep enough to use thick papers? Let me show you what the week looks like. 32-pound paper. And then this is on 20-pound, like just print copy paper. Look at the difference, right? There's definitely a difference. This is me when I was in like a freshman year or like middle school. This is my daughter, my 4th one, my baby. That is a mini me. So I thought I'd just kind of tape us together. So look at. And then this is my work stuff. These are all my work projects, and I just break it down into little bite-sized tasks in here to just get them done. So I have all the finance sheets in here. This is something that I did make. I use this like regularly. It really helps me to keep track, like, did I upload? Because like 2 Wednesdays in a row I did not upload, 24th and the 31st. So it helps me to like really see it in action and how I play it out. It's very encouraging. This is the YouTube production log, and it really helps me to plan out which day I'm doing what. I did create a house section, car maintenance. I'm calling it the adulting trackers in my members only link, pet care, family fun, and then our home. So this is basically just going to give you a place to write down all the to-dos. You could be brain dumping, or you could be doing car maintenance right now and then saying, hey, 3 months down the line, go for car maintenance, book it, due on what day. So that way it kind of helps you keep along. And I love this because, like I said, I am going from left, like from the front pages all the way to the back, to see what I need to pay attention to at any given time. So this has been something that I've been wanting to put in here. This is my period tracker, and then also it's like my beauty tracker. So I have like when I got my facials and all of the beauty care, haircut, all that. This is also downloadable under the section. Health log. So I decided I'm gonna do it like this. So I have each member of the family, their first names there, and then I have details of what it was, and then out of pocket and HSA card used. Anything to do under the health task, like book an appointment, that kind of stuff is gonna go there. And then HSA log, RX log that I wanna log in. We have all of this note pages in the back. I'm starting to use a lot less of this because I have all that note pages in the front. So I might even eliminate this section, we'll see, because I do have another like notepad as well. So this is another section that might possibly go. This is pool and everything else that I pay the people for. Lawn, cleaning lady, have pest control. We're doing mosquito treatment, so it's a little bit costly during the summer. Pool guy, and then I just pay them. The next several pages are passwords, so we'll skip that. Right, yeah, passwords. I don't like to write down passwords somewhere like on a tangible good. But I'm starting to do that just because my kids all are using computers at schools and their own laptops, and they have so many passwords and they always forget, and then they come to me and I'm like, you created the password. So I am slowing my kids down, and then I am helping them to create the passwords while I'm like there, so we can write down all the information together in case they need it. Stickers, cards that I am not using in the current state. This is it. I do have a ton of stuff that I need to be doing, like contact lens. My daughter's violin teacher is moving her facility. I have all these like dual enrollments. I have all these things. I have to purchase some stuff from here, like this massage chair, quite a bit of stuff. I have registration here. I have kids stuff, AP tests to pay for, like computer fees to pay for, like so many things. Okay, so that was all the stuff. And if you guys have any more ideas or inserts that you want to see, let me know, because I'm starting a list of everything, just going down the line. I have so much fun making these. Pop it in the comment section. I will try to be creative with it. I will see you on the next video. Bye.